Here we have a renovation project of over 700 square feet of Adura Max in a second floor apartment. It is Napa color tannin number 061. We installed it in 2 bedrooms, a kitchen, dinette area, and a hallway and living room. We had to pick up the old carpet in the bedrooms and prep the floor and install all the Adura Max. As you can see, each room is completed with matching quarter-round moldings and appropriate doorway transitions. This is a beautiful project in the whole apartment area. It is going to enhance the ability of maintenance. Here is the hallway area. Again, up on the second floor. Appropriate transitions. And again, the quarter-round moldings. Everything is flowing right through from one area to another. So this completes this project. Again, over 700 square feet. There's a kitchen dinette area. And we also installed a small piece of sheet vinyl for the customer in the kitchen. So another completed Adura Max project. Thank you for watching.